Welcome to the Special Forces in World War II YouTube channel created by the Special Forces in World War II team. On board the cameraship, preparations are underway for the deployment of a Chariot human torpedo. This innovative craft, marked XS-59 near its tail, is carefully lowered into the water using a derrick. Crew members steady the torpedo as it descends, ensuring a precise operation. The absence of a warhead emphasizes that this is a training and demonstration exercise, showcasing the capabilities of this remarkable underwater vehicle. Once the Chariot is in the water, two divers, clad in protective diving suits and equipped with Sladen breathing apparatus, prepare to board. They descend methodically, securing themselves on the craft as they take control. The Chariot then powers away from the cameraship, its electric motor propelling it smoothly across the water's surface. Performing a series of maneuvers, the Chariot circles near the cameraship, with the divers' heads occasionally visible above the waterline. The craft submerges beneath the surface, demonstrating its ability to operate stealthily before re-emerging in a controlled resurfacing maneuver. After completing the sequence, the Chariot returns to the ship, where the divers climb aboard. They remove their underwater gear, revealing their faces as they discuss the exercise and prepare for the next stage. Thank you for watching the Special Forces in World War II YouTube channel, an unwavering digital fortress committed to preserving the history of elite and specialized units in World War II. Our mission is clear: to provide a comprehensive view of the elite units and formations that played pivotal roles in the Second World War. This extensive dossier includes their frontline battles, innovative weaponry, strategic maneuvers, and the brave soldiers who faced the crucible of combat. The World War II SOF Virtual Museum is our dynamic field operation, continually uncovering layers of historical knowledge. We also maintain outposts on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to enhance our information dissemination. If you possess relevant intelligence to support our mission, don't hesitate to share it with us. Your contributions will be prominently featured in our operational archives. For those willing to provide substantial support, visit our Patreon forward base and enlist. Your backing is crucial to sustaining our mission. Together, let's carry forth this legacy.